Now we're going to create an assignment. Assignments are very good to keep your students focused on what you want them to do with a Storybird. The first thing you do is you click on Classes. Next, you go to Add an Assignment. Then you type in an assignment title. Let's see, four-legged furry creatures. And then you're going to have them create a Storybird using four-legged furry creatures. Personally, I don't use the URL here, but you can. What I prefer to do is take a screenshot of whatever it is that I'm using and choose my file. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit and go to four-legged PNG, which is the file that I'm going to have my picture. And there's my picture of my four-legged furry friends. Notice that they're cats, but that's okay. That's why I said four-legged furry creatures. The only criteria is that they got to be four-legged and furry. Spell check is on. That's a very good feature if you're trying to help your students learn how to spell. And then 20 is the date that we're going to have this due. And now we're going to save the assignment. And this is what it looks like from the teacher point of view. Now we're going to go to a student point of view. So first of all, we're going to log out, and then we're going to type in a student name. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to class. There it is, four-legged furry creatures. And the students like wondering, what is this assignment that I have to do? And there's no storyboards for this assignment, so we have to create one. So now we're going to start. See, this is create a Storybird using four-legged furry creatures. Start a Storybird. Don't see any in the pictures. And let me see. I don't see any in here, so I'm going to go to more themes and see if I can get anything. Dinosaurs aren't furry. Foxes are furry. Let's go to foxes and see what they got there. Ooh, look at that. We got foxes. We got a fox and a bunny. We got a fox and Santa Claus here. We got a fox and a girl. We got two foxes. We got a fox and a cat. Maybe the fox and the cat one might have lots of furry creatures for us to use. So let's choose that one. Oh, wait a minute. What's this one? This says Animal House. This looks like this might have some furry creatures in it. Let's do Animal House instead. It looks like there's a bunch of furry creatures. And there are. Look at that. There are cats and dogs, and there are more kitty cats, and there's bears and koalas and all sorts of stuff like that there. Oh boy. They're all four-legged. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to click on Start a Storybird. And notice that this is an assignment. Four-legged furry creatures. Now, if there was more than one assignment, you would click the drop down and you would see all the assignments. Or you can choose this as not an assignment and jump in. But we're going to choose this as an assignment because we want to share this with somebody also later on. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to jump in there. And we got a big picture. Okay, so now we can't really add anything here, so we're going to add a page. And let's see, what do we got here? We got... Oh, here's a four-legged furry creature. How about this tiger is asleep? We're going to choose another page. Zebras having picnic. And let's see if we can find one more. Four-legged furry creatures travel in big city. Then we're going to add a page and we're going to type in the end. And now we decided that we're going to go ahead and save this. And now we're going to go to the menu. We notice we have some options here. We can invite someone, publish a storybird, we can save and close. We're going to go ahead and invite someone. We're going to see if our friend is available. Susie, yay! Let's see. Golda says, I need your help. Expertise. Now, Susie's very creative. And then we're going to go to invite. And see the invitation has been sent. And now we're going to log out. And we're going to go ahead and type in Susie. Whoops, forgot the last name. Oh, silly me. Susie Smith. Password. And see, it says Lawson-Cohen. Lawson-Cohen has invited you to collaborate on the storyboard. So you're going to click on it. And then I need your expertise. So Susie says, okay, she needs my expertise, so I'm going to help her out. Now we're going to look at the cover page real quick because both of their names should have appeared on there. And we're going to remove their last names so they have some, anonymity. And we'll put a capital S for Susie. And we're going to go type in various four-legged furry creatures. And there they are. Okay, so now we're going to add a page. Susie's real good at this, and she knows already that all you got to do is click and drag this over, so you can just add a page. And now we're going to go ahead and see if we can add something else. Let's see if we can find some other four-legged furry creatures. Nah, I don't like that one. It's got humans in it, and humans aren't four-legged furry creatures, so... Oh, wait a minute. We have a cab driver. So I guess we can have that one. Hello. Pet race. And Susie says, I want to add another one. So I'm going to go ahead and add another one. So I'm going to add another page. Yay for Susie. Okay, now what do we got here? We have Snowbound. Those look like mice. Well, elephants aren't furry creatures. Last time I checked. So we can't use that picture, Susie. We're going to have to get rid of that picture. See, even Susie makes mistakes. So you notice how we just click and drag that? Unicorn. Watering. Okay, I think that we have enough for right now, and you got the general idea. And again, to do the Storybird, all you gotta do is just click and drag and type in your text, and you can add in or remove pictures and that sort of thing. So there you have it. We went on ahead and we added in another user, and we went and we're going to go ahead and save it. And we're going to exit and save and close. And then we're going to go back to the instructor, and we're going to see what it looks like on the instructor view. We're going to click on four-legged furry creatures. Let's see. Let's go back. We can add an assignment here, and we clicked on assignment details. Looks like we're going to have to publish it in order for the teacher to see it. And that's okay. So what we'll do is we'll go back to details. And we're going to set for everyone. All about animals that have 4 legs and are furry. And the only tag we're going to put in there is animal. What that means is that's an identifier of the Storybird itself. So if someone else is looking for a Storybird on animals, they'll be able to find it. And then we're going to publish it. And now it's gone into the Storybird itself. And look at this Storybird. It is so cool. Now that she's published it, let's see if the teacher can go ahead and see it. Sure enough, and there it showed up in the class library because it got published. So now what she can do is the teacher can go ahead and see, he or she can go ahead and see who it is that created it, right here, Lawson-Cohen and Susie Smith, and what it was for the assignment that it was for, and what the title of the project was. I thank you for your time.